Hey guys, Bobby from cigars.com here, and today we are going to talk about our Churchill cigar kit for beginners. Churchill cigars are traditionally 7 inches long with ring gauges varying anywhere from 48 to 54. So funny enough, the Churchill-sized cigars are in fact named after Sir Winston Churchill, who is the British Prime Minister. He enjoyed cigars thoroughly and is often rumored that he smoked up to 10 cigars a day. Now let's dive right in and see what cigars we have picked out in our Churchill cigar kit. So first up in the kit, and one of my personal favorites, is the Camacho Connecticut Churchill. This cigar measures in at 7 by 48, and it's a mild to medium smoke, and it'll take you about 90 to 120 minutes to smoke this cigar. This cigar comes from Davidoff factory in Nicaragua, and the wrapper is a beautiful Habano, Connecticut, and some notes that you will pick up while smoking are cocoa, a little bit of nuttiness, some creaminess, and floral notes. Boasting a flawless construction and an unbeatable smoothness, the Camacho Connecticut Churchill is a perfect cigar to start out on your cigar journey and an excellent choice for beginners. So next up in our kit, we have one of our personal favorites here at cigars.com, the Crowned Heads Mother Church. This cigar was crafted by John Huber of Crowned Heads, and it pays homage to the Ryman Auditorium that is in the heart of Nashville and also where Crowned Heads is based. The Mother Church's smooth flavor profile is all thanks to the Ecuadorian Corojo wrapper, Connecticut broadleaf binder, and Nicaraguan filler tobaccos. When it comes to consistency, Crowned Head cigars will always provide quality construction and a smooth draw, and the Mother Church continues that trend. So similar to the Camacho Connecticut, in regards to size and smoking time, the Crowned Heads Mother Church has a delicious flavor profile. Some flavor notes you will pick up while smoking the Crowned Heads Mother Church is a bit of spice, cocoa, charred hickory, and nuttiness. The Mother Church by Crowned Heads is another perfect Churchill-sized cigar for any new beginner cigar smoker getting started on their cigar journey. Now next up in the kit, we have a very familiar brand that is common with many beginner cigar smokers, and that is the Romeo y Julieta Reserve Churchill. With this size being a 7 by 54, it may take about 2 hours to smoke, and it's more on the medium to full-bodied side. Some flavor notes that you'll pick up while smoking this Churchill cigar is a bit of coffee, roasted nuts, earthiness, and some cinnamon. The Romeo y Julieta Reserve Churchill is a welcoming and satisfying choice for any new cigar smoker starting their cigar journey. One of the most popular boutique cigar brands in the market right now is Foundation Cigars. Founder Nick Melillo makes it his passion to create blends that are perfect for newcomers or people that have been smoking cigars for a long time. For some beginner cigar smokers, Maduro cigars could be a bit intimidating, with Maduro meaning ripened or matured. The longer a tobacco leaf is aged, the more flavorful and stronger it tends to be. But with the phenomenal balance between medium to full-bodied, the Wise Man Maduro is extremely smooth and rewarding on the palate. Some flavor notes that you'll pick up while smoking the Wise Man Maduro Churchill is a bit of sweet spice, nuttiness, earthiness, and some chocolate. Last but not least on our Churchill kit, we have the 7 by 50 Christoph San Andres. With top-tier quality construction, the Christoph San Andres provides the ideal smoking situation for a beginner cigar smoker looking to enjoy a Churchill-sized cigar with a leisurely experience. Another thing that's great about Christoph cigars is how affordable they are for such premium quality cigars that they produce. Thanks again for watching our video on Churchill-sized cigars. Please visit the cigars.com website for some blog posting that will get a little bit more informative on the Churchill sizes. And remember, don't be intimidated by the size. You'll eventually find something that fits your palate perfectly and that you'll wind up smoking on the daily.